To talk about my public genre translation a little bit, I have provided you with a few different bullet points for the revisions that I made, a few things that I learned specifically from this individual assignment, and then the course goal that I feel I accomplished specifically through this assignment. So, as y'all can read those and understand the different things that went into this assignment for me, I did want to explain a little on how I felt I accomplished the course goal. So the course goal that I feel I accomplished through the public genre was RC 2001 students must exhibit increasing disciplinary awareness by reading and analyzing texts from various genres and disciplines using rhetorical theory as a lens for understanding and evaluating text, and developing a burgeoning understanding of the genres and formats common to their major disciplines. I feel I accomplished this goal because I had to analyze one specific source in thorough detail and use different rhetorical appeals and ideas to really go into depth on my analyzing of the source, and then use that analyzation to create my own public genre and display the information in a new way for an intended audience. So, I think I definitely accomplished this course goal through this assignment, and another part in helping me accomplish that is that I had to learn the specific requirements for my major disciplines, which was writing and education. And that made me learn a little bit more about APA documentation style because that was a part of it. And I also had to look at specific details for what goes into creating a website public genre. So whenever I added the details for a website public genre, the specific writing formats for my major's discipline, and then the analyzation of my source that I used for my information displayed on my public genre, I definitely accomplished this goal through this assignment. Thank you.